What if I told you the next groundbreaking gadget could come from your desk? Yes, you. Let's turn your imagination into reality by creating your own smart gadget. And guess what? You don't need $1 million lab or PhD to get started. Have you ever looked at a smart gadget and thought, wow, I wish I could make one of those myself? Well, guess what? You absolutely can. Today, we're diving into the world of DIY smart gadgets. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create your own tech masterpiece. And I'll show you the perfect programming language to bring it to life. So what's the first step? Every great gadget starts with a problem, or better yet, an idea. Think about something in your daily life that you want to automate or improve. For example, what about a smart plant monitor that takes you when your plants need water? Or maybe a motion sensing nightlight that only turns on when it's dark. Write it down, sketch it out, keep it simple but clear. Remember, every major tech invention started with a basic idea. Now to bring your idea to life, you need hardware. If you're new to this, I highly recommend starting with either an Arduino or a Raspberry Pi. These tiny computers are like magic wands for tech enthusiasts. They're affordable, versatile, and perfect for beginners. And this is where the magic really happens: programming. To control your smart gadget, you'll need to write some code. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. One of the best programming languages for this is Python. Why Python? Because it's simple, powerful, and has a huge community of developers who've built libraries for just about anything. When I connect your gadget to Wi-Fi, there's a library for that. When I integrate it with voice commands, there's a library for that too. Let's say we're building that smart plant monitor. You'll connect a soil moisture sensor to a Raspberry Pi, then write a small Python script that reads the sensor data and sends an alert to your phone when the soil is too dry. And that's it. You've just created your first smart gadget. It's functional, it's yours, and it's the beginning of an exciting new hobby, or even a career. So what's stopping you? With just a bit of creativity, some basic hardware, and the power of Python, you can create gadgets that solve real problems and impress everyone around you. The future of tech isn't just in Silicon Valley, it's in your hands. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what gadgets you want to create. Until next time, keep innovating.